Hello everybody, welcome to Wednesday. S&P 500 up a little bit over 0.6%. It continues to work its way back towards the all-time high. The buyers are in charge of this market right now, so we'll see how this goes. We had a webinar yesterday about the BlackRock iShares megatrends. Really popular, lots of good feedback, lots of positive response. And so let me talk just a little bit about, the ones that we own as a group. We don't all own these, and I'm going to give you a rate of returns for the year so far. We haven't all had them for the full year, but it'll give you a great idea of what's happening. And again, the idea is you find a trend like, let's say, self-driving vehicles or electric vehicles, and you would not only just buy Tesla, for example, you'd buy the entire ecostructure around Tesla, all of the different companies. And sometimes some of these other companies will actually have much bigger gains. We own Clean Energy, which is up 32.5% so far year to date. And again, we haven't owned this the whole time, but that's a good example. Be in front of the trend, combine that with the pandemic. The S&P 500 is only up 3.5% so far year to date. Robotics and artificial intelligence, another one we own, up 20.6%, very popular right now. Cybersecurity, companies are desperate to protect their data, especially with everybody working at home, up 28%. Genomics and immunotherapy, sitting in front of this aging wave, and happens to be also contributing towards trying to find therapies and vaccines inside of this pandemic. That's up 30.2% year to date. Then we got another one called Breakthrough Technologies, using an algorithm to try to find companies that are working on breakthrough technology. That just started in the middle of January, so it doesn't have a year-to-date rate of return, but just in the last 3 months, it's still up 23.3%. So really, really fascinating. It's why I wanted to do that webinar, because I think it's really important. It's helped all of us, these particular types of concepts. And so I want to thank everybody for watching and attending and watching this video today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.